has 150 multiple choice questions. Okay. So, and it has 4 options. You have 4 choices, A, B, C, and D. And questions are purely application oriented. Time available is 240 minutes, which is 4 hours. This time is sufficient enough to answer all the 150 questions very comfortably. You might think that, oh, there are 150 question and 240 minutes. That means 1.6 minutes for each question. When you appear for the exam, don't see the timer. Okay, this time is sufficient enough for answering all 150 questions with some time to spare for yourself to review the questions which you have marked, because as there is an option to mark the questions for review. Okay, now let's talk something about scoring. Okay, so the candidates are scores are reported as a scaled score, that is from 200 to 800. This is ISACA's way of scoring. And now, what is a scaled score? It's nothing but a conversion of candidates' raw score on the exam to a common scale. Okay, so ISACA uses and reports scores on a common scale from 200 to 800. And to pass, a candidate must get a score of 450, scaled score of 450 or higher. Now, when you finish the submit button, when you finish the exam, you'll know the result at the same time. Okay. And the detailed result with your scoring of all the 4 domains, you will receive in 10 business days from the date you clear the exam. Okay.